Alright, what's up YouTube peeps? Average Model Guy bringing it back at you from the Average Model Dungeon. Okay, so I'm a little frustrated. I've got this complete with the exception of the cockpit. I made an oops with the cockpit. As you can see, well, if I can break any more of it, I cracked it right there. Okay, so I tried to super glue it and buff it out, and that didn't quite work. And then I ended up cracking it here. So I'm going to go ahead and call it good for the Army build. I am eventually going to get a canopy off of eBay and fix this. But otherwise, I mean, it's done. I mean, I'm calling this one good for the Army build. So I kind of get in here and show you everything. Yeah, it turned out really good. I'm happy with it overall. Weathering looks good. Even I can get it to spin without falling off. I even got that. It's a little wobbly, but other than that, I got that to spin still. So, yep. All right, we're gonna call this one good. So this is kind of a quick update on this, and not quite sure what I'm gonna build yet. I do have a couple stash ads that I will be showing you, so let me get those ready. First one, another A10. This one is the Black Snakes. This is the Black Mamba, is what they call them. This one comes out of the Fort Wayne Air National Guard, where I live close to. Had the privilege of meeting a major that works on the maintenance division over there, and he gave me some wonderful things. So Major Cole, thank you, sir. Gave me this wonderful patch. And what's it without the round that goes in this bad boy? Man, that thing is huge. I did not realize how big that dang thing was. Imagine that hitting you. That would definitely ruin your day. Yeah, nah, no thanks. And then he also gave me, I believe it's a beer opener, and it's got the tail number in Fort Wayne, Indiana. It's the actual tail wing for that. I love that. That's awesome. So thank you again. Oh, it's got another side to it too as well. Oh, that's cool. 122nd Fighter Wing, Black Snakes. So yeah. So thanks again, Major. Appreciate it. And yeah, this is the first stash ad I got. And we got a 48-hour group build coming up. I'm looking forward to. And this is what I chose. I'm gonna do a Fair Lady Z. Gonna be a pretty easy kit. So, yep, got that one. And let's see, what else did I get? I think that's pretty much it on new ones that I've gotten. So yeah, these are my two stash ads. So I got the Fair Lady Z and then the Black Mamba. USAF. So I'm really looking forward to doing that paint scheme. I think that's pretty sharp. So yeah, I'll be looking forward to doing builds with those soon. But I got one big stash ad here. So this is a 1/16 scale Jag Panther. It's made by Tamiya. 1/16 thing's huge. I coach track in the spring, and they usually give me a gift card. So all said and done, after the gift card and this, I paid $10 for this model. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about it. It came from an estate sale, and it came with some extra goodies inside there. So thinking about doing this one next. There's a lot of metal parts in here, a lot of metal. So I'm gonna be trading in the glue for screwdrivers. So yep, looking forward to it. So. What is up, everybody? Average Model Guy bringing it back at you in the Average Model Dungeon. All right, we're gonna call the Corvette done. I'm really happy with how this turned out. The color's phenomenal. It's like Mr. Pope of Plastic said, it looks like an 80s mall kind of Corvette. So that'll be good. Yeah, I got a good chuckle out of that one. So yep, there she is. I guess I'll pop open the hood here so we can take a look at the engine. There's the engine all done, prettied up. Yep. So yeah, I want to appreciate all the comments and anything that you guys have said and encouraging words. I do appreciate it, and I will get ready for the next build. Not quite sure what I want to do yet. I've got that 1/16 Jag Panzer back there behind me that I could do, but I'm not sure if I'm ready to undertake something big like that, or I might go, I don't know, we'll see. Guess you guys have to stay tuned to see what I pick. Thanks again, guys.